Here the domain and range of the trigonometrical functions. Sine domain is our real number. All the numbers which can be drawn on number line that are real number, and their range is -1 to 1, included 1, -1 and 1, close bracket. Same is for cos. In case of tan, the domain is this, r minus this. We have to remove this x, and x is in this manner 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Z is the set of integers, because for these values the value of 10 is infinite, and infinite does not exist. Then we will remove this. Then this is the domain of tangent, and this is the range of tangent. Complete set, real number set. This is same. Here the value is different, n pi cot. This is the domain of cot, and this is the range. In cot, we will not include n pi. In principal value, these term will not include it, because for these values, value of cot is infinite. Now here same, see here for sec x domain, this is the domain of sec x, and this is the range. In sec range -1 to 1, open set, open, -1 and 1 is not included. These two terms will not come in the value of sec, -1 and 1. From our real number, these two value, -1 and 1, will remove. It means we can say -1 and 1 is not the value of sec. Now come to the cosec, sorry. Come to the cosec x. This is the domain of cosec x, domain, and this is the range, r minus excluded -1 and 1. This r minus excluding -1 and 1, it can be written as -infinity to -1. -1 is included here. Here -infinity is not included. Union 1 to infinite. This can be written as in this manner also. This is the domain and range of cosec x. Now we will see the domain and range of inverse trigonometrical function. Now see, in case of inverse trigonometrical function, the term will change. This -1 and 1, -1 and 1 is the domain for sine inverse x, and this is range -pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the principal value range. We will write the principal value. In this manner, there are many subdivisions. In case of cos, this is domain and this is range. In case of inverse tangent, it means tan inverse. This is domain, this is range. Principal value range. Cot inverse, domain, principal value range. In case of sec inverse x, see here, this is domain, excluding -1 and 1 from real number, and this is range, excluding pi by 2, value of theta, excluding pi by 2 from 0 to pi. For this value, it is infinite. Now see, cosec inverse x, this is the domain for cosec inverse trigonometrical function, cosec. Then this domain and this is range. Here also excluding 0. 0 will not come. The range of cosec inverse x will be minus pi by 2, pi by 2 including. Both are including. But 0 is not included, removing 0. This can be written as this r minus infinity, minus 1 to 1. This can be written as minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 is included. And 1 to infinite. Union of 1 to infinite. This value can be written as in this manner also.